Mama and Glow. Oh, Glow's cute.
Glow.
Hi, Mom.
Say hi to the camera.
Yeah, she's been smiling and laughing lately, which is a nice change. And here's Aurora, and Aurora's ready to eat some yogurt. So here we go. You ready, Aurora? Here we go. Open up. Yum, 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 yum. Let's get the yum, yum, yum. Here we go. Let's try it again. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And there's a piece of strawberry in that one. You want some more? She's funny. She makes all these yummy noises. Yum, 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 yum. That's your mama. Yep.
Say hi to Mama.
And she said Cousin Ray's name for the first time today.
That was cool.
She said Ray Ray. This is what she does when things are yummy. And she's getting a tit, so she's trying to rub it. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. It's cute. And here, one more. Yum, yum, yum.